Good morning, traders. This is your captain speaking. Hope you guys had a good holiday break. I know the markets have been pretty crazy since the Fed made their rate decision a couple weeks ago. So I thought I'd do a quick little video to give an update on what I see in the markets. Starting off with the S&P futures. It took a pretty drastic dip down. That was the CPI, the Fed decision, been dropping since. That 3,800 level has been crucial. It needs to hold there to get that rebound. If it breaks, it is a long way down. The NASDAQ has been getting hit a bit harder today in particular, but as long as it doesn't break like the 10,800 level, 850, it should be fine. The Dow is just kind of doing its thing. Gold has been inching higher. As you see, it's been kind of bouncing around here. Does like it's gonna kind of rise up a bit more. Oil does look like it's hitting quite a few levels of resistance here and should start coming down after hitting 81. Start coming down from there. Bitcoin with the whole scandal, really. I don't even know what else to call it. Of course, had that big drop. Is it a buy? I mean, yeah, essentially, because it's so discounted after a panic. But for how much and for how long, there's better things to invest in. Natural gas, because the whole situation in Ukraine and just the weather and weather predictions, all that, which there are weather features for you guys that don't know. That's a whole other thing. But natural gas has hit its lowest point. Now, I always use the UNG, which is the United States Natural Gas Fund, which tracks the price of natural gas directly instead of natural gas companies, because they try to insulate themselves from the price movement there. As for individual stocks, Tesla has been the one in the news the most. And as you can see, essentially right there at 113, is where a good buy would be after this kind of pretty precipitous drop right there. Be a pretty good time to buy. The catalyst would be if Elon steps down from his CEO position or kind of delegates it or part of it away. He has already stated that he won't be selling any more shares, so just some kind of positive news on the Twitter side would kind of help stop all that. Netflix, just kind of in the middle of the range there at 280, 284 to 286 right now. Apple, just a little while ago, was pretty much at its lowest for the year almost. So I would say like closer to 128, 127.5 would be a good price. It might already just start going up from there. Same thing for ARK, which is an ETF that does have Tesla in it. So that's also why it's been having a decline and just the market overall. But I do see that. You see it pretty much kissed the bottom support there. It's going to be going up from there. Apple, ARK, and Amazon finally. They're at 82 is kind of that level of support there. But I think overall the markets are going to be recovering, so all these are going to be recovering as well. But that's about it. To wrap it up, I just wanted to give a quick little breakdown of just these overall markets. And hope you guys have a good end of the year. So this is your captain signing off.